माननीय सदस्यगण,
Both houses of parliament adjourned for the day after the opposition refused the business to be conducted, demanding a discussion on bribery allegations against the Adani Group.
सभा की कार्रवाई 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
The House stands adjourned to meet at 11:45.
But the markets were unaffected by this hangama, with all 10 Adani Group stocks in the green for most of the first half of trading day, until a bombshell press release by Total Energies that announced it will stop all investment in Adani Group. The French company said it will not make any new financial contribution as part of its investments in the Adani Group of companies until such time when the accusations against the group individuals and their consequences have been clarified. It added that it was not made aware of the existence of an investigation into the alleged corruption scheme. The unexpected announcement reversed the sentiment in the market, with the share of Adani Green Energy plunging 15% from their day highs. Total Energies owns 19.75% stake in Adani Green Energy, which it bought in January 2021 after AGEL won what was then the world's largest solar order and is now under the US stock market regulator's scrutiny. Total also owns a 37.4% stake in Adani Total Gas Limited, as well as 50% stake in 3 renewable joint ventures with Adani Green Energy. Meanwhile, the Congress government in Telangana gave a political twist to a 100 crore rupee donation by the Adani Group. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy announced the state government has turned down the funding for a skills university aimed at developing industry-specific abilities among young people.
अदानी ग्रुप से मैं किसी पार्टी के लिए, हमारे कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए नहीं तो हमारे परिवार के लिए एक पैसा नहीं लिए। CSR कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फंड्स हम अदानी से 100 crores इन प्रिंसिपल वी हैव टेकन ए लेटर। अभी तक एक पैसा भी हमारे तेलंगाना सरकार के खाता में नहीं आया। कुछ कम 3 लाख करोड़ रुपए बजट है तेलंगाना राज्य के, तो उसमें 100 करोड़ रुपए के लिए हम लोग इतना अलिगेशंस फेस करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो कंट्रोवर्सी से दूर रहने के लिए हमारे राज्य सरकार ने ये निर्णय लिया हुआ है। हमारे ऊपर कोई किसी ने दबावट करने वाले नहीं है, किसी ने दबावट किए तो हम लोग सुनने वाला भी नहीं है।
The developments come a day after Reuters reported that the US Securities and Exchange Commission has issued summons to Gautam Adani in the bribery case. The summons reportedly require an answer within 21 days.